and a good morning to one and all. As the sun rises over Great Britain, people all around the world are getting ready for this spectacular event, as two titans square off against each other at the final of Wimbledon 2016. No one knows the outcome of today's events, but I can promise you that it will be an absolutely red-hot match. The people are readying themselves, strawberries are being freshly cut, and the meat is on the barbecue, as the two men also ready themselves for potentially what could be the match of their lives. And as you can see here, the two competitors square up. On your left, we have Andrew, the Pain Train Thompson, and on your right, we have Cormac, the young black warrior Nellis. Both men clutching at glory today, but neither knowing how the match will end. Ooh, I hear we are ready at centre court. A deathly silence befalls the arena.
Underground, overground, wombling free, the wombos of Wimbledon, come and are we.